Now we are going to learn the next important part in a Pythagoras theorem is the similarity and right angle triangle, geometric mean and Pythagoras theorem. आज आपण पायथागोरस थेरम या प्रकरणामधील काटकोन त्रिकोण आणि काटकोन त्रिकोणातील समरूपता, भूमिती मध्य आणि पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय याचा आज अभ्यास करणार आहोत. फर्स्ट, the similarity and right angle triangle, काटकोन त्रिकोण आणि समरूपता. Theorem related to the similarity and right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, if altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangle formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. या थेरमचा अर्थ आहे काटकोन त्रिकोणात काटकोनावरून कर्णावर काढलेल्या शिरोलंबामुळे जे दोन त्रिकोण तयार होतात ते स्वतःशी आणि मूळ त्रिकोणाशी समरूप असतात. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, angle B is a 90 degree, it is a right angle. Segment BD is a altitude drawn from right angle to the hypotenuse. Then triangle ADB, triangle BDC, two triangles form. Such two triangles are similar to itself and to original triangle. त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये कोण बी काटकोन आहे. काटकोनावरून कर्ण AC वर सेगमेंट BD हा शिरोलंब काढलेला आहे. शिरोलंबामुळे त्रिकोणाचे दोन भागात विभाजन झाले. ते दोन त्रिकोण स्वतःशी आणि मूळ त्रिकोणाशी समरूप असतात. ते आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. Given in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is a perpendicular to the AC, that is A dash D dash C. D lies between A and C. To prove triangle ADB, similar triangle ABC. Triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC, and triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC. तयार होणारे दोन त्रिकोण ADB हा त्रिकोण ABC या त्रिकोणाशी समरूप आहे. BDC हा त्रिकोण मूळ त्रिकोण ABC या त्रिकोणाशी समरूप आहे आणि ADB आणि BDC हे दोन त्रिकोण एकमेकाशी समरूप आहेत. हे आपल्याला सिद्ध करायचं आहे. Proof in a triangle ADB and triangle ABC. या दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये ADB and triangle ABC. Angle DAB is a congruent angle BAC. Why? Angle A is a common angle in a both triangle. ADB या त्रिकोणामध्ये अँगल A आहे. ABC या त्रिकोणामध्ये अँगल A आहे. दोन्ही त्रिकोणामध्ये अँगल A कॉमन अँगल आहे आणि म्हणून DAB is a congruent angle BAC. It is a common angle. Angle ADB is a congruent angle ABC. Why? Each of 90 degree. BD is a perpendicular to AC. Angle D is a 90 degree. In a triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. It is right angle triangle. Therefore, angle ADB is a congruent angle ABC, each of 90 degree. Therefore, two angle of one triangle is a congruent to two corresponding angle of other triangle, then such two triangles are similar by AA test. दोन त्रिकोणामध्ये जेव्हा एका त्रिकोणाचे दोन कोण दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या दोन संगत कोणाशी एकरूप असतात तेव्हा ते दोन त्रिकोण को कसोटीने समरूप असतात. Here the corresponding vertices, the A is a corresponding to A and D is a corresponding to B. In this triangle, A is a corresponding to A, D is a corresponding to B, and remaining in triangle ADB, B is a corresponding to C. Therefore, triangle ADB, similar triangle ABC, AA test. Equation number 1. Similarly, in a triangle BDC and triangle ABC, हा त्रिकोण BDC आणि त्रिकोण ABC मध्ये अँगल C कॉमन आहे. Therefore, angle BCD is a congruent angle ACB. Why? Common angle. And BD is a perpendicular to AC and angle B is a 90 degree. Therefore, angle BDC is a congruent angle ABC, each of 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC, phi AA test. C is a corresponding to C, D is a corresponding to B. Therefore, B is a corresponding to A, D is a corresponding to B, and C is a corresponding to C. By using the corresponding vertices, triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC, AA test, we get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, triangle ADB is a similar triangle ABC and triangle BDC is a similar triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is a common. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, triangle ADB is a similar triangle BDC. Two equation of RHS side is the same. Therefore, LHS side is also same. Triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC. We get equation number 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3, then triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC. It means that in a right angle triangle, if altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangle form are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Hence, we can write triangle ADB, similar triangle BDC, similar triangle ABC. Hence, it is a proof of this theorem. Similarity and right angle triangle is the important theorem. Write down. Theorem of geometric mean. भूमितीय मध्याचे प्रमेय. Theorem. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Meaning of this theorem, या प्रमेयाचा अर्थ, काटकोन त्रिकोणात काटकोनावरून कर्णावर काढलेला लंब हा कर्णावरील दोन भाग शिरोलंबामुळे विभागतात, तर तो शिरोलंब त्या दोन भागाचा भूमिती मध्य असतो. पण फिगर पाहूया. इन अ ट्रायंगल PQR, QS is a perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. Hypotenuse PR divided into two parts, PS and SR. Therefore, altitude QS is a geometric mean of PS and SR. त्रिकोण PQR मध्ये, त्रिकोण PQR हा काटकोन त्रिकोण आहे. काटकोन त्रिकोणामध्ये काटकोनावरून QS शिरोलंब कर्णावर काढलेला आहे. शिरोलंबामुळे कर्णाचे दोन भागात विभाजन होते, PS आणि SR. म्हणून शिरोलंब QS ला PS आणि SR चा जॉमेट्रिक मीन म्हणतात. ओके. गिवन इन अ ट्रायंगल ABC, given in a triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS is a perpendicular to PR such that P dash S dash R. To prove, segment QS is geometric mean of segment PS and SR. That is, therefore relation QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. This relation show that QS is geometric mean of PS and segment SR. Therefore QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. जेव्हा QS हा PS आणि SR चा भूमितीमध्ये आहे तेव्हा हे रिलेशन लक्षात ठेवायचं. QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. Okay. Proof of this theorem. In a right angle triangle PQR, QS is a perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. In a triangle QSR and triangle PSQ, QSR and PSQ, or RSQ and triangle QSP, or triangle PSQ similar triangle QSR, in any way, but the corresponding vertex is very important. Therefore triangle QSR is a similar triangle PSQ. Already we have to show in a first theorem similarity and right angle triangle. Therefore reason similarity of right angle triangle. These two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side are in proportion. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात. Means QS corresponding side PS, SR corresponding side SQ, QR corresponding side PQ. We can write QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. Cross multiplication here, SQ is the same as QS. You write anyway SQ is equal to QS. Here is a cross multiplication. QS multiply QS is a QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. Hence it is a proof QS is a geometric mean of PS and SR. पायथागोरस थेरम. पायथागोरसचे प्रमेय महत्वाचे प्रमेय आहे. In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. काटकोन त्रिकोणात कर्णाचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजे एवढा असतो. This is a triangle, right angle triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. It is a given. To prove square of hypotenuse AC square is equal to sum of square of remaining two side AB square plus BC square. कर्णाचा वर्ग AC चा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजे एवढा असतो. AB चा वर्ग अधिक BC चा वर्ग. Construction. Draw perpendicular segment BD on side or hypotenuse AC, that is A dash D dash C. BD altitude drawn from right angle to the hypotenuse AC. Proof of this theorem. In a right angle triangle, proof of this theorem. In a right angle triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, segment BD is a perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC from construction. Therefore, by using similarity and right angle triangle, triangle ABC similar triangle, ADB similar triangle, BDC. Why? Similarity of right angle triangle. In a triangle ABC and triangle ADB, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB, already proved in a theorem of similarity and right angle triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle ADB. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding side are in proportion. जेव्हा दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतात तेव्हा त्यांच्या संगत बाजू प्रमाणात असतात. AB as AD is equal to BC as BD is equal to AC as AB, corresponding side of similar triangle. In a first ratio, AB as AD and last ratio AC as AB are equal. Therefore, AB as AD is equal to AC as AB. Cross multiplication here, AB multiply AB, AB square is equal to AD multiply AC. We get equation number 1. Similarly, in a triangle ABC and triangle BDC, both triangles are similar. Similarly, triangle ABC, similar triangle BDC. When two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB as BD is equal to BC as DC is equal to AC as BC, corresponding side of this similar triangle. Here, BC as DC is equal to AC as BC. Cross multiplication here, BC multiply BC, BC square is equal to DC multiply AC. We get equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, then we get AB square plus BC square is equal to AD multiply AC plus DC multiply AC. On RHS side, here AC and AC take common. On RHS side, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC take common, multiply in a bracket AD plus DC. AD plus DC is the sum of segment. We get segment AC. AC is equal to AD plus DC. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC multiply AC is a AC square. AB square BC square is equal to AC square. This is a Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras प्रमेयाचा व्यत्यास. Theorem: in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides, then the triangle is right angle triangle. त्रिकोणामध्ये एका बाजूचा वर्ग हा उरलेल्या दोन बाजूच्या वर्गाच्या बेरजेबरोबर असेल तर तो त्रिकोण काटकोन त्रिकोण असतो. गिव्हन in a triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This is a triangle ABC. One side square AC square is equal to sum of the square of remaining side AB square plus BC square. This is a given triangle. Then to prove that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Construction: draw triangle PQR such that, this is a triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR. So AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this is a construction PQR. PQ is a congruent to AB, BC is a congruent to QR, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Proof of this theorem: in a triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is equal to, but from construction, PQ is a congruent to AB. Therefore, PR square is equal to AB square. QR is equal to BC. Therefore, QR is equal to BC. PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square from construction. Here from given in a triangle, square of one side AC square is equal to sum of square of remaining two side AB square plus BC square. Its value is a AC square, therefore PR square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Taking square root on both sides, PR is equal to AC. Therefore, AC is a congruent to PR. Three side of one triangle is a congruent to three side of other triangle, then such two triangles are congruent. In a triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is a congruent to PQ, BC is a congruent to QR, PR is a congruent to AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is a congruent triangle PQR by S test. एका त्रिकोणाच्या तीन बाजू दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाच्या तीन संगत बाजूचे एकरूप असतील तर दोन त्रिकोण बा कसोटीने समरूप असतात. And when two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angle are congruent. Angle Q is a corresponding to angle B. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Angle PQR is a 90 degree in a construction. Therefore, angle ABC is also is equal to 90 degree. In a triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Such triangle is a right angle triangle. Hence, it is a proof. Write down. First problem for Pythagoras theorem. In figure, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QN is a perpendicular to segment PR. PN is equal to 9. NR is equal to 16. Find QN. त्रिकोण PQR मध्ये काटकोनावरून कर्णावर जर लंब असेल QN is a perpendicular to PR, the geometric mean theorem वापरायचा. To find QN, PN is equal to 9, NR is equal to 16. In a triangle PQR, segment QN is a perpendicular to PR. By using theorem of geometric mean, QN square is equal to PN multiply NR. Substitute the value. QN square is equal to 9 multiply 16. Taking square root on both sides, QN is equal to square root of 9 is a 3, square root of 60 is a 4, 3 4s are 12, therefore QN is equal to 12. Second problem, in the right angle triangle, sides making right angle are 9 cm and 12 cm. Find the length of hypotenuse. काटकोण त्रिकोणामध्ये काटकोण करणाऱ्या बाजू 9 सेमी आणि 12 सेमी आहे, तर कर्णाची लांबी काढा. This is a right angle triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 9 and QR is equal to 12. In a triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. By using Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Here PQ is a 9 square plus 12 square. 81 plus 144 is equal to 225. PR square is equal to 225. Taking square root on both sides, PR is equal to 15. PR is the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Problem number 3. In a triangle PQR, this is a triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS is a perpendicular to PR. Then find X, Y and Z. In a triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree and altitude drawn from right angle to the hypotenuse is the QS is a perpendicular to PR. By using theorem of geometric mean, QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. QS is equal to X. With the help of geometric mean, to find the value of X, QS square is equal to PS multiply SR. QS square is equal to 10 multiply 8 is equal to 80. Taking square root on both sides, QS square is equal to 16 multiply 5. 16 5 is 80. Square root of 16 is a 4. Therefore, QS is equal to x is equal to 4 square root 5. This is the value of x. Here therefore x is equal to 4 square root 5. To find the value of y in a triangle QSR, x is this 4 root 5, SR is a 8. To find the y by using Pythagoras theorem in a triangle QSR. In a triangle QSR by using Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is the QR. QR square is equal to QS square plus SR square. Substitute the value. QR square is equal to 4 root 5 bracket square plus 8 square. 4 square is a 16. 16 multiply 5 is equal to 80 plus 8 square is a 64. Sum of 80 plus 64 is a 144. Therefore, Q are taking square root on both sides. QR is equal to y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 12. The value of y is equal to 12. Similarly, to find the z, when in triangle PSQ, the value of x is equal to 4 square root 5, PS is equal to 10. To find PQ. PQ is the hypotenuse in a triangle PSQ. In a triangle PSQ, by using Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to QS square plus PS square. Substitute the value. 4 square root 5 bracket square plus 10 square is 80 plus 100 is equal to 180. To find the factor of such that one number is a perfect square number, 36 multiply 5 is a 180. PQ square is equal to 36 multiply 5. Taking square root on both sides, PQ is equal to Z is equal to 6 square root 5. Therefore, Z is equal to 6 square root 5.